Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Harini and as promised, I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing my vision board for 2021. I'm going to be showing two options for you. One is a art and craft traditional version and the second is to go digital without spending any money or time on cutting things up. So I hope you find this useful. If you've never made a vision board, this is the right time to do it. So let's get into the video for more details. So what is a vision board? A vision board is basically a visual representation of your goals. What is the point of making it? It turns out it actually helps to put your goals on paper in a visual format. It has been backed with so many studies, and simply put, the one word to use for it is to manifest. No, manifestation does not mean just because you put it up on the vision board it's going to come true. It will keep reminding you, it will be a visual reminder to work towards your goal that you've set, and also the reward at the end of that task. So, without further ado, start making a vision board and see how it works out for you. The very first thing you'll need to create a vision board is a grid like this. I bought this particular one from Amazon and it turned out pretty great. It also comes with these wooden clips. You can substitute with paper clips as well. A vision board is a matrix of your dreams. Making it as visually beautiful and creative will only help you look at it even more and try harder to achieve all the goals on the board. A vision board is your canvas of dreams and goals for the upcoming year. They could be related to your finance, where you want to save more than ever, spend less, and budget your expenses. It could also be to purchase something important. It could also be related to physical movement and mindfulness, and your health related goals like eating better, fresh and clean seasonal food. It could also culminate to career advancement and taking action towards them. Whatever your dreams and goals are, find pictures you identify with, make them stunning, and put them up in this matrix of your dreams. By placing it in a spot you see daily, you create the opportunity for consistent visualization to train your mind, body, and spirit to manifest your desires. So that was the craft version of this, where you can cut up things from pictures you print out or from magazines. I have a second version for you, which is digital, which is far more fun to do, I must say. And if you're somebody who has a wallpaper on your computer and you're like me who keeps staring at the computer for at least 12 hours a day, I think that is the best place to look at. So you can create a wallpaper for yourself with your vision board, and I'm going to show you how to do it online with the help of Canva as well as Pinterest. Keep watching. The first thing you want to do is to gather the pictures which you connect with the most according to your vision for that year. The best place to get a huge collection of these pictures is Pinterest. If you're a regular Pinterest user, you might have several boards saved. If not, you can randomly search for pictures and also inspiration for your vision board. As you can see, there are hundreds and millions of pictures we can pick from, whatever is the theme of the board you want to see on your wall every single day. I'm going to start searching for some pictures for the categories I want to see on my vision board. Fitness is one of them, which I find great pictures from Pinterest in. Any picture you like, you can save or you can put it in a folder or a board. The next option is to directly go to Google and start searching for images which you want in your vision board. Once you have all the pictures you want on your vision board, the next thing to do is to jump on to canva.com and search for wallpaper. You will get several options and choose the one with a neutral background. On this beautiful wallpaper, I'm going to start adding all the pictures I want on my vision board, which will be my desktop or laptop wallpaper. You can create a super tidy vision board or a messy one like an art and craft project, Whatever makes you look at it more is the point. So make it as visually stunning for you. Once you're super happy with your vision board, set it up as the background for your laptop or your desktop. This is something you're going to be looking at every time you use your laptop, and there's no better way to manifest. I hope you enjoyed both versions of the vision board and have started planning out what you want to create for yourself. Please do try it out. It is an ardent request. And I'll see you next time with more great such videos on Tuesday. Please follow me on Instagram if you don't already for daily content. And I'll see you next time in another fun video.